Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to set up the projects in Asana for 2025. Now, projects in Asana actually help you organize the tasks, assign the work, and track the progress for your team or personal goals. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for asana.com. Once you are here on the official website of Asana, you need to simply just log in into your account or create your account if you haven't already. Once you have done that, you need to choose your workplace or your team in which you want to basically create a project. As you can see over here, this is my dashboard or this is my workspace. So in order to add the project over here, in the left hand corner, you are going to see this plus icon here in the bottom left hand side. So when you click on this option, it is going to show you furthermore bunch of different options like tasks, project, message, portfolio, and goal. So since you want to create a project, simply click on the option of project. Now, if you want to import your projects from any other task management applications like Trello or any other, if you have that data, you can click on the option of import over here and you can upload that spreadsheet here. But if you want to create a blank project, simply click on the option of blank project in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to give your project's name. Then you can select whether you want to add it in your workspace or you want to make it private for the members. I would recommend you to add it to your workspace. Then press continue here in the bottom. Now make sure that you check all of these. If you want to add the calendar, workload, etc., you can click over here. Then click on the option of create project. So once you do this, you are going to see your project here in the left hand section. So you can click on it, then you can start using it. Like you can add the tasks, you can add the list, the boards, and take a look at the dashboard. So this is how you can set up the project in Asana in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.